I strongly welcome the work of Resilience Frontiers, because the complexity of the problems caused by our unsustainable society can only be addressed in a way which is systemic, multi-stakeholders, and multilateral. Decarbonization is the mother of all causes, because if we don't stop climate change, it will not only become exponentially damaging, but also irreversible. Burning fossil fuels at the rate which is 18,000 times higher since the beginning of the Industrial Revolution, greenhouse gases emissions, deforestation and others, is definitely wrong. Wrong, wrong. We are killing ourselves and bringing nature down with us. The good news is that if we compress the 3 billion years since the origin of life on Earth into one day, then the Anthropocene is only 5 milliseconds, the time of a bee's wing flap. So can we have an extra flap to fix the problem? Yes. We can use many kinds of renewable energies, as Mother Nature does. Also, most of the other resources can be regenerated instead of being depleted. We can also restore most of our damages, like depolluting ecosystems and reforesting a lot of land. This is called regeneration. Regeneration is the set of processes responsible for maintaining life in good health. It involves all kinds of biological systems, from microorganisms to large populations, with a scope spanning from lands and water restoration, urban regeneration, and eventually the whole industry sector. Agriculture is one of the most relevant, both in terms of climate mitigation and adaptation. Myself, as a scientist and entrepreneur, I spent one sabbatical year studying a model for a virtuous agriculture, which is both regenerative and beneficial for our health. Regenerative agriculture is about enriching the soil with organic carbon and improving its resilience and fertility, while removing carbon from the atmosphere. The aim of virtuous agriculture is to objectivize, measure, and communicate how soil health leads to environmental health, plant health, produce health, and human health. Illy Caffé, the company which I'm proud to chair, is now working on virtuous agriculture hand in hand with our community of coffee growers, transferring knowledge through our University of Coffee and rewarding sustainable quality. Regeneration is the next step towards sustainability, as it ultimately pursues the concept of human ecology, the study of human interaction with the planet. It also embraces happiness, meant as a prerequisite and as the promised land. All economical activities need to become regenerative, but a lot of knowledge, metrics and standards, incentives, traceability and others needs to be developed. With this vision in mind, together with few inspired businessmen, we founded the Regenerative Society Foundation and launched Regeneration 2030 with 3 pledges: regenerative economy, climate action, and world happiness, aimed at contributing to transform our society from extractive to regenerative.